And up next, we have the airbag indicator light. So if you see this light, generally you would want to see if there's a recall, which is very common, unfortunately, but you definitely want to get this fixed just because this is your insurance, right? God forbid, if you get into an accident, you want that airbag to be working, right? So definitely don't leave it to the last minute. Generally, these recalls are done free because of some sort of defect within the component. So definitely contact your manufacturer to see what the status update for that is. Up next, we have the security indicator light. And so generally, when cars are parked, you'll see that they have a blink or they have some sort of sticker that says on the window that says that, you know, there's some sort of system that is equipped in this vehicle that if you try to start it without the keys, or if there's a thief trying to break into your car, it will immobilize. So this light is to let you know that that car is locked and there's a security feature that protects this car.